Transform your kitchen with these 10 must-have gadgets you'll wish you owned sooner. Stick around to see why you can't live without them. A kitchen is where culinary fantasies come true, not only where food is prepared. You need the proper equipment to elevate your cooking experience from mediocre to spectacular. These essential kitchen tools can help you save time, improve your food, and make cooking not only more efficient but also truly pleasurable. Regardless of your level of experience, these devices are invaluable tools for any professional chef. Berlinzo Premium Clear Ice Ball Maker. By producing ice spheres that are perfectly clear, the Berlinzo Premium Clear Ice Ball Maker enhances your drinks. In addition to being gorgeous, these slow-melting ice balls maintain the coldness of your beverages without rapidly diluting them. This device gives your drinks a sophisticated touch, whether you're serving iced coffee, whiskey, or cocktails. This ice maker is simple to operate and maintain, thanks to its sturdy, food-safe silicone construction. Just add water to it, freeze it, and then remove the perfectly round ice balls. It is a practical addition to your kitchen because of its elegant appearance, which fits neatly in your freezer. The Berlinzo Ice Ball Maker is a must-have for everyone who enjoys entertaining or making the ideal drink at home. Sapido French Fry Cutter. The best tool for making consistently good fries at home is the Sapido French Fry Cutter. Its sturdy stainless steel design makes it easy to cut through potatoes, consistently yielding results that rival those of a restaurant. Its ergonomic handle makes it simple to prepare fries in bulk without putting undue strain on your hands. This cutter works well for slicing carrots, zucchini, and other vegetables in addition to potatoes. This device saves you time and effort while producing amazing results, whether you're creating snacks for a party or a side dish for a family dinner. Both fry aficionados and health-conscious chefs should have it. Stir Mate Automatic Pot Stirrer. Stirring soups, sauces, or risottos is made easier with the Stir Mate Automatic Pot Stirrer. By keeping your ingredients moving uniformly and preventing scorching, this hands-free gadget stays attached to your pot and guarantees a constant texture. You may use it for several cooking sessions without constantly recharging it thanks to its rechargeable battery. The Stir Mate is fantastic since it allows you to multitask in the kitchen. You may concentrate on chopping vegetables, arranging the dinner, or just sipping tea while it stirs your pot. This device is like having an additional pair of hands in the kitchen, whether you're making a delicate custard or cooking a substantial stew. Dorai Home Dish Pad. When it comes to keeping your countertops dry and tidy, the Dorai Home Dish Pad is revolutionary. This pad, which is made of environmentally friendly diatomaceous earth, quickly absorbs water to keep puddles from developing beneath drying dishes, pots, or glasses. Its sleek, contemporary style is quite useful and fits in well with any kitchen's decor. By rapidly wicking away moisture, this dish pad does more than just dry food. It also stops bacteria from growing. In contrast to conventional dish racks or towels, it is very simple to keep and clean. The Dorai Home Dish Pad is a long-lasting and efficient combination of style and utility that keeps your kitchen clean and clutter-free. Kuhn Ricken Epicurean Garlic Press. The cumbersome chore of chopping garlic is made quick and simple with the Kuhn Ricken Epicurean Garlic Press. Cloves are easily crushed by its robust stainless steel structure, which maximizes flavor extraction while producing the least amount of waste. This garlic press is popular among people with arthritis or weak hands because it requires less work than other models. Its detachable sieve makes cleaning as simple as using it. This press consistently produces the ideal texture whether you're creating marinades, roasted garlic bread, or sauces infused with garlic. No kitchen should be without this little but powerful gadget, which gives your food a burst of flavor and convenience. Cactus Cutter K5 Electric Kitchen Grinder. Your grinding needs are elevated with the Cactus Cutter K5 Electric Kitchen Grinder. You can use this device to grind nuts, coffee beans, or spices with remarkable speed and accuracy. You have control over the texture from coarse to fine, thanks to the strong motor that guarantees a uniform grind every time. Even the tiniest kitchens can accommodate it thanks to its modest size and its sleek form gives your countertop a dash of contemporary elegance. In addition to grinding, this device may be used to make homemade nut butters or spice blends, increasing your culinary options. The Cactus Cutter K5 is a device you'll use on a regular basis because of its robustness and adaptability. Muon Ball in one vegetable chopper. Chopping chores become a breeze with the Muon Ball in one vegetable chopper. This chopper's numerous interchangeable blades allow you to quickly chop, slice, and julienne veggies. It eliminates the work of using a knife and chopping board when preparing big batches of ingredients for salads, stir-fries, or stews. Its design, which includes an integrated handguard to shield your fingertips, is both sensible and secure. Your chopped vegetables are collected neatly in the container, which minimizes mess and saves cleanup time. This chopper is the ideal kitchen helper if you want to make food preparation faster, more effective, and less dirty. ThermoPro Lightning Meat Thermometer. Every time, your meat is cooked to perfection thanks to the ThermoPro Lightning Meat Thermometer. This thermometer provides you with precise readings in a matter of seconds because to its lightning-fast reading capability. It guarantees that your food is both tasty and safe to consume, whether you're baking fish, roasting poultry, or grilling steaks. Even in low light, its backlit screen and elegant design make it exceptionally easy to operate. You may easily wash it without worrying about damage because of its waterproof body. This is a great tool for testing the temperature of baked products or beverages, so it's not just for carnivores. It's a small, accurate device that every kitchen needs. OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Food Mill. The best appliance for making lump-free mashed potatoes, smooth sauces, and silky purees is the OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Food Mill. With the help of this food mill, you can easily process fruits and vegetables, removing seeds and skins to achieve a perfect texture. Its stainless steel structure ensures durability for years of service, and the ergonomic grips make it comfortable to crank the mill. You have countless culinary options thanks to its 3 replaceable discs, which allow you to adjust the consistency of your purees. Use this tool to make healthier and more flavorful dishes from scratch instead of relying on store-bought sauces. Its easy disassembly for washing also makes cleanup a pleasure. KitchenAid 9-Speed Digital Hand Mixer. For those who enjoy baking and creating creamy delicacies, the KitchenAid 9-Speed Digital Hand Mixer is a dream come true. This multi-purpose instrument is not just for mixing. You can effortlessly regulate the consistency of your ingredients with 9 distinct speeds. It works well with everything from stiff doughs to delicate batters, and it can be used for both gently stirring and high-speed whipping. It is comfortable and strain-free to hold for extended baking periods. Because the attachments are simple to replace, you may use them for a variety of tasks, including mixing, whipping, and kneading. This tool is an essential part of every kitchen, whether you're making stiff meringues, creamy mashed potatoes, or fluffy cakes. Thanks for watching. If you love these kitchen gadgets, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome tips, and hit that bell to never miss an update. Let us know your favorite gadget in the comments below.